Wet cleaning. In Brazil, due to the great quantity of natural resources, the culture of waste still reigns. Water is used without criteria and in the wrong way. A great quantity of this finite good is still wasted in obsolete cleaning processes. The use of floor cloth for wet cleaning of floors and other surfaces is another risk factor. This culture has a number of drawbacks for those who use them, such as the contact of hands with the various contaminations present on the floors, water wastage, inadequate posture for their use, among many others. Rational use of chemicals is another important issue for reducing the environmental impact of sanitation actions that must be viewed from a sustainable point of view. Thinking about sustainable cleaning is also thinking about the human being and how the accomplishment of these tasks impacts their life. The physical integrity of the operators is a fundamental aspect in professional cleaning. Cleaning tasks require a lot of effort as they are performed with the body in various positions and for hours on end. These efforts, carried out in a continuous and incorrect manner, end up leaving marks on the physique of the operators with serious threats to health. More systems for Bralimpia liquids. Professional wet cleaning systems offer the perfect combination of performance and productivity. They allow for effective cleaning done in less time and less physical wear and tear of the operator. The two-way water system is perfect for washing procedures, wet cleaning, and quick interchanges such as liquid pickup or spilled food on the floor. The possibility of working with two partitions, one with a solution of clean water and detergent, disinfectant, and the other with only clean water to wash the refill, makes cleaning much more intelligent and efficient. In the first partition, the solution of water with chemical agent that will be applied to the floor remains clean longer. Once the dirt removed from the floor will be deposited on the second partition with the rinse water, this separation ensures that the solution used for sanitation is not contaminated with the dirt removed from the floors. Bralimpia Dobro systems. The bucket with Bralimpia squeezer is presented in versions of 30 and 50 liters. The systems work with a top pressure squeezer that allows to mechanically refill the refill without the operator having contact with the liquid. In the Dobro bucket, 30 liters, the partitions are injected in the bucket itself. A partition with 12 liters and another with 18 liters makes the Dobro a perfect equipment for medium or large areas. For professional users in large areas, Dobro 50 with two 25 liters buckets each provides high productivity and comfort for operators. Liquid Mop Procedures. Mop systems for Bralimpia liquids can be used on cold floors in general, such as Pavaflex, granite, marble, porcelains, ceramics, burnt cement, among others. Prepare the bucket for the beginning of the two-stage cleaning. First stage, fill the first partition with 1/3 of its capacity with clean water and dilute the chemical according to the manufacturer's instructions. Second stage, place clean water on the second partition to half the capacity. Place the squeegee on the right side of the bucket. It should be attached to the top of the second partition, which contains clean water, to wash the refill. Move the product to the place where it will be used. Signal area with wet floor, signaling plate to prevent slips and accidents with slippery floor. Moisten the refill in the first partition with the water and detergent and disinfectant solution. Remove excess from the squeegee by supporting the bucket with a knee to prevent it from moving during operation into a more suitable posture. By doing so, the position of the body relative to the squeegee would result in less effort and greater efficiency. When squeezing the refill, Wait for 5 seconds so that all excess water is withdrawn by the squeegee. If you wish a refill with less moisture and more absorbent power, turn the squeegee again. Start mopping from the farthest point of the room's entrance, and because of the space and the strips, clean each strip to the end exclusively until you complete the entire area. When you notice that the side of the refill that is being passed on the floor already retains a lot of dirt, turn it sideways. This will follow another area until this side also becomes very heavy. Return to the bucket to discharge the dirty refill in the water for the second part of squeezing for 5 seconds. Submerge the refill in the first partition to recharge the refill with cleaning solution again. Remove the excess and repeat these procedures until complete cleaning of the entire area. When cleaning finishes, discharge dirty water from the second partition by opening the drain in front of a drain after the end of bucket use. Wash it inside and out with the same detergent used for cleaning. The refill should be washed and placed to dry in a shaded and ventilated place. This care is very important to increase the service life of the refill, and always leave it ready for next use. Wet cleaning on Bralimpia Limpitudo bracket. The Bralimpia LT bracket allows several actions for wet cleaning of ceilings, walls, and floors. It can be used with fibers for cleaning with different levels of abrasiveness and with multi-lave and micro-lave refills. When used with Bralimpia telescope cables or extensions, they allow cleaning at heights up to 9 meters safely. Its hinged cable fitting makes it easy to clean from a variety of angles. How to use LT brackets. Attach the abrasive fiber or refill to the LT bracket. Moisten it with a cleaning solution using the spray bottle. Always divide the area that will be cleaned into rectangles and clean horizontally.